Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, we're going to talk about something that's on the minds of many people: high-paying freelance jobs. With the rise of remote work, freelancing has become a popular option for those seeking flexibility and freedom. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 high-paying freelance jobs that you should be considering in 2023. So, let's get started. Software development. With the ever-increasing demand for technology, software development remains one of the most lucrative freelance jobs. Companies are always looking for skilled developers who can help them create innovative software solutions. If you have a solid background in programming languages like Java, Python, or C, this could be the right fit for you. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is another in-demand freelance job that offers high-paying opportunities. As businesses shift more towards online platforms, the need for digital marketing expertise is on the rise. With skills in areas like SEO, social media marketing, and content creation, you can help businesses grow their online presence and attract more customers. Writing and editing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing and editing could be the perfect career for you. With a strong grasp of grammar and a knack for storytelling, you can work with businesses and individuals to create compelling content that engages audiences. From website copy to blog posts and ebooks, the possibilities are endless. Graphic design. As businesses look to create visually appealing content to attract customers, the graphic design remains a highly sought-after skill in the freelance market. If you have a knack for creating eye-catching graphics, logos, and branding materials, you can make a good income as a freelance graphic designer. Financial planning. Finally, if you have a background in finance or accounting, freelance financial planning could be a great option for you. As more individuals seek financial advice and planning, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals who can provide these services on a freelance basis. You can offer services such as budget planning, investment management, and retirement planning. So, those are the top 5 high-paying freelance jobs to look out for in 2023. By developing the necessary skills and expertise, you can carve out a successful career as a freelancer and enjoy the flexibility and freedom that comes with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.